Number 11, the scatter plot shows the height in centimeters and weight in kilograms of several students. Based on the scatter plot, which is the best prediction of the height in centimeters of a student with a weight of 64 kilograms? Scatter plots, looking at a bunch of pieces of data and see if they have a linear relationship. So we're going to look for 64 kilograms. Kilograms are weight, so that will be on our vertical axis. So let's go ahead and just make a mark on our graph so we know where 64 is represented. You can see that with the red dotted line I just placed. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to figure out where a line of best fit can match and intersect our line at 64. So if you look at the dots, they look kind of like a swarm of bees. We want to draw a line of best fit, which means try to go right down the middle and have an equal amount of dots on both sides. So let's go ahead and place that line. We've got the blue line sitting right there, and what we're going to want to look at is see where does our line of best fit intersect with the number value we're looking for, which in this case is 64 kilograms. So looking at our answer choices, let's go ahead and drop a line from our intersection point, which is, we'll put it in green. You can see right where our red dotted line and our blue line intersect will be that value, and we'll drop that straight down. It looks like that green line is exactly in the middle of 154 and 158. Exactly in the middle of 154 and 158 is 156. So based on the scatter plot, which is the best prediction of the height in centimeters of a student with a weight of 64 kilograms? D, 156 centimeters.